Skiing is freedom. You're out there in the elements. You can go as fast or slow as you want. If more people can access the mountains, that's a win for me.
Right now, we are taking the next step in adaptive sport. Not just any old adaptive sport, but alpine ski racing. And I'm helping out with Toyota Racing Development to create the next generation.
I make it well known that I'm all about skiing in the wintertime. So I think I was probably on the list of engineers that might be interested in doing a sit-ski project.
These are the brains of the system right here. That's our data logger, pulling all the data from there.
Meeting Trish is pretty cool. She's a ski racer herself, and I'm not an engineer, and I shouldn't try to be one, and most engineers aren't skiers, and they shouldn't try to be one either. But she seems like the best of all the worlds.
My first question to Chris was, what movements are required to make a ski turn? And when he describes it, I can feel it.
We're able to make edge angle very soon in the turn and get good pressure.
Yes, winning is the ultimate goal, but providing quality equipment is another goal. You know, it doesn't need to be that hard. You know, people are strapping themselves down with ratchet straps that they need to replace midway through the season.
To make a better sit-ski, Toyota's got a huge burden on their shoulders.
We've been working with racing cars for a number of years, and some of those things we thought can apply to this project too. Things like suspension systems, how they're seated, how they're strapped in. To see whether there's anything that we can apply, our lessons learned from motor racing onto this system.
Having a car company behind this is the perfect mix. We do the same things. We're trying to go fast. Little tiny tweaks are truly what makes the difference. The driver has to be good, but the setup could lose the race too.
The geometry is the same, so the arm lengths are the same. The orientation of the arms is the same, but all of this had to be different.
As a sport, weren't ready for this kind of help, for this kind of precision.
The big thing is when I adjust, I need pressure to be able to move it. If there's not instant pressure, then it's not going to go anywhere.
It took all these falls and all these broken bones and all these broken pieces of equipment to get to this point. We've come a long ways.
Win, lose, or draw, it's an awesome monoski. If it doesn't perform, it's my fault.
These guys are professional athletes, and they're out there with ratchet straps around their waists, securing themselves to the rigs, you know, throwing themselves down the hill at 70 miles an hour. They deserve better.